Coral reefs are facing significant challenges due to climate change, but there are several strategies that can help them survive and adapt to these changes. Here are some key ways coral reefs can cope with and potentially thrive in a changing climate. 1. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions. To mitigate climate change's impact on coral reefs, it is crucial to decrease the emission of greenhouse gases. This involves transitioning to renewable energy sources, increasing energy efficiency, and adopting sustainable practices across industries. By reducing carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions, we can slow down the rate of global warming and reduce the stress on coral reefs. 2. Protecting water quality. Maintaining high water quality is vital for the health and resilience of coral reefs. Measures should be taken to reduce pollution, sedimentation, and nutrient runoff into coastal waters. Proper sewage treatment, agricultural best practices, and responsible waste management can help prevent contaminants from reaching coral reef ecosystems. By safeguarding water quality, corals are better equipped to withstand the impacts of climate change. 3. Enhancing coral resilience. Scientists are actively studying and implementing strategies to enhance the resilience of corals to climate change stressors. Selective breeding involves identifying corals with natural resistance to rising temperatures or other stressors and breeding them to produce more resilient offspring. This approach aims to create coral populations that are better adapted to changing environmental conditions. Additionally, manipulating coral microbiomes, the microorganisms living within corals, shows promise in boosting their resilience by enhancing their ability to tolerate stress. 4. Implementing marine protected areas, MPAs. Establishing and effectively managing marine protected areas is essential for conserving coral reefs. MPAs provide a sanctuary where corals and marine life can thrive without the threat of destructive fishing practices, overfishing, and habitat destruction. By protecting key reef ecosystems, MPAs serve as a source of new coral larvae, promote recovery from disturbances, and help maintain healthy populations of reef fish, which contribute to coral resilience. 5. Assisted evolution and restoration. Assisted evolution involves interventions such as selective breeding, genetic modification, or epigenetic modification to enhance coral resilience. This approach aims to accelerate the natural evolutionary processes of corals by introducing genetic diversity or modifying their genetic makeup to increase their ability to adapt to changing conditions. Coral restoration techniques, such as coral fragment transplantation or coral gardening, also aid in the recovery and rehabilitation of damaged reefs. 6. Local management and community engagement. Engaging local communities, governments, and stakeholders is crucial for successful coral reef conservation. This includes raising awareness about the importance of coral reefs, fostering community-led sustainable fishing practices, implementing responsible tourism guidelines, and empowering local communities to participate in reef monitoring and management. By involving and educating communities, long-term commitment to conservation efforts can be fostered, ensuring the protection of coral reefs for future generations. It's important to note that these strategies are not mutually exclusive and should be implemented in a comprehensive and integrated manner. The combined efforts of global actions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and local conservation initiatives are crucial for the survival and resilience of coral reefs in the face of climate change.